On this week's edition of
Malaise.
we have the Sanyo thing.
So violently malaise.
Look at that tiny down rod.
Goddamn.
Oh, look at
Malaise.
it. So
deliciously
malaise.
malaise.
I don't know. It's pretty cool. It belongs to Zach Lady. But we'll start it up on low. Everybody be quiet for the malaise.
Malaise.
So much malaise.
So violently malaise.
Look at it like tossing the smoke down. That's funny.
I should have lit a cigarette so you could see the smoke draw.
Got the malaise wobble.
Go with the malaise medium. It's
You
big.
should blow your vape into it.
I think Craig's got some serious air.
There, oh, look at it, and it's tossing it down. The thing cranks.
Oh, pretty good. It's only drawing like Craig's drawing the amps. Drawing 0.46 on medium.
0.46. It is pretty quiet.
Yeah, it doesn't hum at all.
And up to high.
Chop your dick off.
Hey, you can't say that on YouTube.
Oh, it's drawing 0.62 on high.
Get your vape close up to it and then blow into it.
Get the vape clippings out.
That's pretty efficient. 0.62.
Dude, it ain't going.
Put it
It,
underneath.
You gotta get a little above.
gotta go blow. There it goes. Yeah.
You're not doing it right.
God damn. Like him, like what he's doing.
Low up.
Oh my God! Don't jump into. There it goes. Dude, this thing freaking. It's got a big old chunky motor. Anyway. What did you say? On this week's edition of Bullshit Hour on Tori the Fan Man's channel.
Shit show.
In the Cleveland Fan Collector shop, no less.
Drunk and high as fuck.
FBI coming for you now.
Oogie. Oh well, I got enough videos on the channel. I don't. What's one video?
I'm surprised at how much air this thing cranks out.
I didn't think it had this tiny a blaze. I thought it had longer blaze than that.
What is it, a 38 inch?
It's 40.
It's a 40-inch. It's a neat little fan.
Really odd size.
God dang.
Damn! There's another fat one!
Pants have definitely been shot.
Goddamn
Oh my
You really might want to check your drawers at that point now.
Goddamn, you shit your pants!
Pants shit, Barb
He done
left.
shitted, Barb.
Pants shitted, Barb left.
Boy, you are fucked.
Malaise.
Malaise.
Look at that malaise. Look at that big old chunky motor.
Chomp.
It ain't blowing no more air now. Now there's just vape clouds everywhere.
Faggot juice.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, it's known for Sanyo products.
Obviously got good berries. It's got a pretty decent spin now.
Look at that brown.
Malaise. Going on forever.
It reminds me of shit. And there you go. There's the old Sanyo itself.
Sanyo.
Thanks for watching.